today. I'm all glammed up, but I didn't start this way. We did 3 holiday looks and we started from a little bit less, more natural, a little bit glam, semi-glam, and then glam. So this is the last look that I did. So make sure you watch all the way through to get this look, because this is my favorite right here. Today I actually use products from BUXOM's new holiday collections that are out now for the holidays. Y'all need to snag these before they're gone, because these are great gifts for the holidays, and honestly, they work so good in any makeup looks. Thank you to BUXOM for sponsoring today's video. I cannot with these holiday sets. I love all of them. There's so many. There's even more. I'm gonna show you all the ones that they have. They are so fun, so cute. There's so many sets for amazing prices, y'all. Amazing prices. We have Regal Realness. We have the Royal Lip Treatment. We have the Dolly Reigns Supreme. And then there also is Loyal to the Lash. And then Crown Jewels, and then the biggest one, the Queen's Vault. This and this, my favorites. I think I said this one was my favorite, but both of these win either way. You get so much product, and BUXOM lip products are the best, and they are great values. This is an $80 value for only $40. This is a $44 value for only $25. I used my favorite holiday sets for each of these 3 looks, and they turned out so cute. So let's go on ahead and get started with look number 1. So look number 1 out of 3, we're gonna start with the more simple look. We're gonna go more natural with the bold lip. So I already have my base done, and we're gonna keep it like that. Just nice, natural, clean slate. I'm actually gonna use one of BUXOM's eyeshadows. You can buy the singles, make your own little custom palette. I have a whole bunch of different ones. Mine's full already, so I'm just gonna use this one outside the palette. This is the color All Access. It's a pretty light gold color. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this all over my eyelid. So pretty. These looks are going to be very simple, very easy to do, but they are just going to be straight game changers. They're just going to be like a bold statement. Your holiday makeup's going to be the talk of the room, trust me. There we go. See how easy that was? And it looks so good. Now I'm just going to add the smallest little wing only to the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to go ahead and extend that out. We don't want it too thick either. And of course, we're gonna pull out one of the holiday sets. We're gonna go ahead and use BUXOM's Loyal to the Lash. This is a full-size lash kit. 2 tubes of the best mascara. You always have to have 2 on deck. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. We're going with the cute, flirty, natural lash. This mascara, absolutely the best. I love the brush. You see that? This truly is the blackest black. It makes my lashes so dark, so beautiful, so full, and so long. I know y'all see the difference. What clump? No clump here. And to finish off this first look, we're gonna jump into Crown Jewels Plumping Lip Gloss Set. Honey, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plumping lip glosses for only $25. This is a $44 value, so you're basically almost getting half off. All of the colors are beautiful in here. This bold one is screaming my name. That's what we're digging into today. So this is the Plumping Lip Polish in the color Holly. Let me give you a closer look. Oof. Oof. A little bit of natural glam screams for this. There we go. Bold lip, living for it. Living. So this is the first look. This is the more natural. So if you're just going out during the day, you know, honestly, you haven't even seen the other 2 looks, but it's gonna be so hard for me to pick whichever one's my favorite for the holiday because I love a natural glam. All right, so this is holiday look number 1. Let's get started on holiday look number 2. And at the end, y'all tell me which one you like the most. So I'm gonna leave the gold on my eyes and I'm just gonna go on top of it. I'm gonna use one of the brown shades that I have in one of my custom palettes. I'm gonna go ahead and get a fluffy brush, and then we're just gonna place this on the eye on top of the gold. We're gonna go in the inner crease all the way around. I'm gonna go ahead and flare it out on the corner. Even though I'm layering these colors, I really feel like they're so blendable and it doesn't ruin anything, and it just makes beautiful, more of a custom color. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go with this like pinky shimmer color that I have, and it's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and just use my finger, and we're gonna go ahead and dab that on the middle over the gold. And we're gonna have like a little brown, pinky, rose gold look. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and extend my eyeliner, make it a little bit larger. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it across my full eye. There we go. So the eyes are a little bit more bold, and now we're gonna go with the lip. I'm gonna go into the Queen's Fault Plumping Lip Set. This has so many different colors. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different glosses for only $40. This is the $80 value. This one right here is a steal. Don't tell them I said it, but it's a steal. I think they mispriced this, but we're not gonna say anything. I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with one of these pinky nudes. This one might be my favorite. I think it's my favorite out of the whole holiday collection. Cause like, look at this, you just get so much. And this right here, oh, I use this every single day. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This is the full-on plumping lip polish in the color Dolly. It is beautiful, and it matches the little pink tones in my eyes. Literally, you need these glosses in every color because they're just so good. So these sets are a must. And I'm actually gonna add a little bit more bronzer. We're just gonna warm my face up a bit since we're going a little bit more glam. Now I'm also gonna add a little bit of blush. This is BUXOM's Wanderlust blush in the color Mykonos. Give us some color. I love blush on the nose. And there we go. Here is look number 2. Still soft, but a little bit more glam. And then a slight pop of color on the lips, which I love. This one is great for holiday if you just want to be like, you know, like I feel like doing a little bit more than like natural, but you don't want to do too much. This right here is the perfect look for that. The holiday dinners. The family members can be like, dang, so-and-so got cute. And you're gonna be like, yeah, I know, I've been cute actually. But yes, this is look number 2. I thought I loved number 1, but I'm also loving number 2. And I feel like it's gonna be hard to choose for you guys. Now on to look number 3. Okay, so it is time for look number 3. This one is for a night out. This is for a holiday party at night if you wanna be extra glam and just be like, So I'm gonna go ahead and get my dark brown from this palette, and we're gonna go ahead and put this in the outer corner and the inner corners and kind of just like place it over where the brown was. We're gonna do a little bit of like a more smoky eye look, and it's good that you already have the lighter brown as the base because that is our transition. And then in the inner corner, now I'm gonna go ahead and get the silver out of my palette, and we're gonna go ahead and put that right in the middle. It's gonna be very silvery and beautiful. It goes right on top of that pink, very good. Going for a major halo eye. And then go ahead and blend out with some more brown on the edges. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of the brown with this little brush that comes with this palette. I'm gonna put it underneath my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight. You know, we going glam today. And of course, I'm gonna add some lashes. These lashes aren't too crazy, but they give what they need to give. And then I'm just gonna curl my lashes into the lashes. Eyes are done. Now, time for the lips. So since the eyes are more bold this time, we want to go for a little bit more natural lips. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Dolly Rains Supreme. So this is Plumping Gloss and Lipstick Set. It has the most beautiful color and like, they go so good together actually. So we got the gloss, we got the lipstick, we ready. So this is the lipstick in the color Dolly Dreamer. I'm going to go ahead and put this on first. Still a pop of color, but still looks natural, looks so good. It's not too much with the eyes. I could leave it just like this and it looks amazing, or I could top it off with BUXOM's Dolly lip gloss. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, top it off, why not? The color is so pretty, got a little shimmer in it. And there we go. So this is the third and final look. You know, I was saying every other one was my favorite, but this one truly I think is my favorite. It's just so bold, sexy, and glam all in one. And it's not doing too much either. So this is like the perfect holiday look. I went from like cute cousin, you know, like, oh, that's a cute cousin over there, to dang, whose fine auntie is that? Holiday looks are my favorite, honestly, they just are. Imagine this with a bold red lip, like, ooh, even that would be so bold, but so good at the same time. But yes, that's all 3 looks. I hope you guys enjoyed these holiday looks. Don't forget to check out my description box below and check out BUXOM's holiday collection. They are amazing. Like, you can't go wrong with any one of these. Definitely snag one for you, your friends. These are great gifts, you know, like not one person will dislike this gift. But anyway, thank you guys for watching all 3 of these looks. I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you loved one, recreate it and tag me. I would love to see. And yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.